সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ তো আজি মই বেছি দেৰি কথা নকওঁ আজি যেহেতু চিটেটৰ এক্সাম আছিলে আপোনালোকৰ এক্সাম কেনেকুৱা হ'ল জনাবলৈ নাপাহিব আৰু মই বুকলেট ৱাইখনৰ CDPৰ কুৱেশ্যনকেইটা আপোনালোকক ক'ম আৰু আপোনালোকে চাই যাব আৰু বুকলেট ৱাইজ যিহেতু কুৱেশ্যনবোৰ বেলেগ বেলেগ তো চাই ল'ব কিমান কি হয় আৰু কিমান 150 ভিতৰত আপোনালোকে মানে এক্সাম পেপাৰটো ইজি পাইছে টান পাইছে কিমান কি হৈছে কেনেকুৱা হৈছে কমেণ্ট কৰি জনাবলৈ নাপাহিব আৰু কিমান পাব যেন ভাবিছে ক'ব ঠিক আছে কমেণ্ট বক্স খোলা আছে আপোনালোকে ক'ব এতিয়া মই বুকলেট ৱাইখনৰ কুৱেশ্যন আনচাৰবোৰ ক'ম ইয়াতে first question to আছে read the following statement assertion students with poor writing abilities are often stereotyped by their teachers as intellectually disabled and reason to this teachers tend to have implicit bias and whole assumptions about students learning behaviors that can affect students growth yet choose the correct option yet correct option choose korbe dise option on 1 option 2 option 3 option 4 yet ki hobo option on 3 to hobo yar correct answer option 3 hobo yar correct answer both A and R true and R is the correct explanation of A to yat ki hol option 3 to hoise option 3 to hoise correct answer to pisodle agbahu yet this is question number 2 which of the following is not a way to promote diversity in the classroom to yet kuntu yar question to answer to kuntu hobo yar question to answer hobo option A option 1 adapting behavior based on stereotyping students according to their backgrounds and cultures etu hobo yar correct answer to yar pasot lo agbahu yar pasot ase which of the following is the correct match of learning disability and challenge caused by it to yar answer kuntu hobo boli bhabe apnaloke yar answer to hobo ki hobo kokson dyslexia hobone dyspraxia hobone dyscalculia hobone dysgraphia hobo to yar hoy yar correct answer hobo dysgraphia yar option 4 hobo yar correct answer to yar piso question dole agbahu students struggling with autism so is it ki dise to yar hobo option ki hobo yar option 1 to hobo correct answer familiar and predictable routines to yar paso question dole agbahu 5 which of the following statement is not correct about gifted children question to পঢ়ি পিনি answer to দিব লাগিব ভালদৰে বুজিব লাগিব এটা কো ইয়াৰ answer to কোনটো হ'ব তো question number 5 ৰ option দিছে কি gifted children are born with extraordinary abilities and potential that need to be nurtured gifted children have lower sense of curiosity and poor imagination skills children can be gifted at defined levels and some can have some kind of disability so children can be gifted in more than one kind of intelligence so ইয়াত কি হ'ব ইয়াত হ'ব option 1 হ'ব কি হ'ব gifted children are born with extraordinary abilities and potential that need to be nurtured to here hobo correct answer option 1 question number 6 error analysis by students to 6 number question to answer ki hobo sorry bhul hoise mor option 5 to correct answer option 5 to correct answer hobo option 2 gifted children have lower sense of curiosity and poor imagination skill to your correct answer hobo option 2 sorry for misinformation potokke mor bhul hoi goise to yar pasot la agbahu yat dise error analysis by students to yar kontu answer hobo it is a futile activity process of learning supports students in retaining their learning creates further gaps in students understanding hinders metacognitive skills of students to yar correct answer hobo option 2 hobo yar correct answer supports students in retaining their learning pasor question to agbahu which of the following statements is correct regarding declarative knowledge and procedural knowledge yar answer to hobo option 1 yar answer to hobo option 1 and procedural knowledge is generally process oriented in nature to question number 8 to le contents which require an extension or modification of existing cognitive structures take this time for learning and are retained for this duration to etu answer ki hobo yar answer to hobo option 3 long option 3 long and long এটা question number 9 le read the following statements suggestion to teachers should encourage children to focus on questions such as what is my learning goal and what do I need to do get there reason to this when students understand how to self-assess their work performance and they can use this understanding to help themselves learn and progress in your option to ki hobo ইয়াৰ হ'ব option 3 correct answer both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Etu hobo option 3 etu correct answer. To 10 number question to la agbahu. 10 number to this in guided discovery approach of learning. In guided discovery approach of learning to কি হয় মানে to say to ইয়াত কি হ'ব দস্তটো হ'ব option 1 2 হ'ব correct answer. Opportunities are provided to learnings to construct knowledge for themselves. To এটো হ'ব ইয়াৰ correct answer. To ইয়াৰ পাছৰ question লা আগবাৰ 11 number question which of the following strategies is not effective while developing conceptual understanding in children. To 11 number question to answer হ'ব option 2 asking students to memorize the definition as it is. To ইয়াৰ হ'ব correct answer এটো. তো 12 to hobo question to ase an active middle school classroom should be founded on the theoretical principles of yar ki hobo answer hoy social constructivism. Yar correct answer hobo social constructivism. Paso question to le agbahu 13 read the following statements. Assertion: empathy depends on the ability to understand that others have feelings and to gauge their feelings. And reason to hobo emotions and cognition are not related to each other. To your correct answer to hobo option 1 to hobo your correct answer. A is true but R is false. To 14 number question to a middle school teacher can enable students become strategic self-motivated learners by your option to hobo 14 number option to hobo option 3 encouraging students to develop their metacognitive knowledge and skills. 15 number question which of the following exemplifies intrinsic motivation. To 15 number question to answer hobo option 4 hobo correct answer. Motivation driven by personal interest or enjoyment of the task. To 16 number question which debate is highlighted in the following who is in the following questions. Does an individual's biological determined sex bring with it all the characteristics that define one's socially constructed gender? To your answer to hobo option 3 to hobo your correct answer. Option 3 hobo correct answer. Nature influences on development. Your hobo correct answer hetu. 17 a major or development task during this is the search for identity, personal, sexual and occupational. To yar hobo option 1 adolescence hobo yar correct answer. 18 number question read the following statements. Assertion: children learn values and norms of the society in overt as well as covert ways. Reason to this: socialization is a simple process of learning on customs and rituals of the society. To yaar 18 number question to ki hobo 18 number question to hobo answer hobo 1 option 1 to hobo yaar correct answer. A is true but R is false. 19 number question as per Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development which of the following abilities distinguishes formal operational thinking from concrete operational thinking? Abstract knowledge to hobo yat option 3 hobo yaar correct answer. To option 3 hobo yaar correct answer. Paso question to lagbahu 20 a significant and critic of Jean Piaget is that he failed to adequately consider the influence of others on the development. To yaar correct answer hobo 4 option 4 culture. To 21 number question which of the following is a correctly matched pair? To ইয়াত hobo option 3 correct answer. Option 3 to hobo correct answer. 22 number question to la Jean Piaget and Lev Vygotsky are similar in their belief that. To yar option 2 hobo 3 yar option 3 to hobo correct answer. Children are involved in the process of meaning making. 23 to hobo Lev Vygotsky proposed that ki propose korisil. To yat hobo option 2. Children have a lot of potential which includes tasks they can do with other support. 24 question number read the following statements. Assertion: the purpose of administering intelligence states and extended observation should be to compare children in specific domains and abilities. So your answer to reason to do say intelligence is an innate ability and cannot be nurtured. To 24 answer correct answer of option B both A and R false. To 25 a teacher who consciously takes examples of scientists of all genders in her middle school classroom is trying to কি হ'ব এইটো তো এইটো কাৰেক্ট অপশ্যন হ'ব অপশ্যন 3 ব্ৰেক জেণ্ডাৰ ষ্টেৰিঅটাইপছ 26 to about read the following statements. Assertions all girls are hardworking and sincere, while boys are intelligent and dominating. Two distinctive biological brains produce all differences in physical and cognitive skills as well as personalities and temperament in girls and boys. Here correct option hobo option 2. Option 2 hobo here correct answer. তাৰপিছতে আছে 27টো আছে যে ইণ্ডিভিজুৱেল ডিফাৰেঞ্চেছ ইন লাৰ্ণিং প্ৰিফাৰেঞ্চেছ অফ ষ্টুডেণ্ট শুড বি চিন এজ কি হ'ব 27টো হ'ব অপশ্যন বি টু কাৰেক্ট আনচাৰ নৰ্মেল ডিপিকশ্যন অফ ডাইভাৰ্চিটি 28 was the kind of assessment in which student and scores are compared with the average performance of other students. So here have a question, here have option 1 to correct answer norm reference. 29 number 2 আছে which of the following statements about classroom assessment are correct. Here option 2 hobo 4 option 4 to hobo correct answer. Assessment should be standardized and norm reference. Last question Ajir. Which of the following CDP? Which of the following questions would promote higher order critical and analytical thinking skills among the students? To hobo yet option 3 correct answer. তো আপোনালোকৰ এক্সাম CDP কি হৈছে বা কিবোৰ কি হৈছে সকলো কিমান মাৰ্কছ পাব আপোনালোকে কমেন্ট কৰি জনাবলৈ একেবাৰে নাপাহৰিব ঠিক আছে আৰু কাইলৈ যাৰ এক্সাম আছে তেওঁলোকো যাতে ভালদৰে দিয়ে থ্যাংক ইউ